If you want a breakfast that's delicious, fun, and easy, then my French toast stick recipe is for you. And if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hey, you're watching Preppy Kitchen, where I, John Cannell, teach you how to make delicious homemade dishes to share with your family and friends. These French toast sticks will be ready before you know it, so let's get started. First off, you're gonna wanna grab 6 slices of a thick cut white bread. Then grab that serrated knife, not the straight edge one. You wanna get clean cuts for these magical sticks that kids love. All right, I'm cutting these into 1-inch thick slices, try and be nice and neat. And once all that bread's cut, we're gonna make an easy custard and dip them up. These are so easy, and they freeze so you can just have them on the spot later on for breakfast and be like the magical parent that does everything. Or enjoy them yourself. You deserve French toast sticks too. If you have finicky ones at home, you can cut that little edge of crust off and, save it for later, feed it to the birds. It's up to you, but I didn't realize how triggering crusts were for the toddlers and children. Now I know. All right, these are all sliced up. It's time for that easy custard. Get those ingredients out. For our easy custard, I'm measuring out 3/4 of a cup of milk. And it goes into a large-ish bowl. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, and 3. A pinch of salt. There you go. Technically it's 1/8 of a teaspoon, but pinch. 1 teaspoon of a nice vanilla. It makes everything better. A teaspoon of cinnamon. French toast has to have cinnamon. And now to hold it all together, we're gonna add 4 large eggs. Grab a whisk, mix it up. Mix, 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 and then we're gonna dip and cook this up. This is the easiest recipe. It might seem silly, but all the parents out there are gonna back me up on this. Food shape is so important, especially for kids and little ones. So if you take these French fries, French toast sticks, the kids are gonna go bananas for them. They are the sweet version of French fries, and they make breakfast so much more fun and easy all around. You've gotta try this recipe out. Place that pan over medium heat, plop those 2 tablespoons of butter, and wait for it to get like foamy, sizzly, and really hot. And once it's nice and hot, we're gonna dip our French toast and place it directly on the pan. If you soaked these French toast sticks, they're gonna fall apart. You really wanna just soak the outside so the inside is still a little bit dry. Okay, the butter's close. I'm gonna soak each stick for just a little bit of time and use my tongs so my hands don't get too messy. And then we're gonna just shake off the excess and place it directly onto the pan. Okay, that's why we wear aprons. Soak a couple sticks at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just flip them over. I'm using my fingers because they're so much better than tongs. This smells so good. I wish you were here with me right now in the kitchen. My pan's pretty full. I'm gonna wait for these to cook about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over. They should be golden brown and beautiful. Everyone's stove is different, so feel free to take a little peek. See, do you look golden brown? They do. It hasn't been 3 minutes yet, so you don't want them to burn. That's the one thing with French toast. Ooh, look at this. Golden brown, perfectly moist on the inside. Sometimes they can stick together, but that's very easy to fix. You can let me know in the comments if you love crust or if you cut it off too. As an adult, whenever I eat a sandwich or anything with bread, I actually eat the crust first, like a little squirrel, so I can save the middle, which is the best part, for last. Unfortunately, if your spouse comes in and takes a bite after you've eaten the crust, you're gonna have like a little meltdown. But that's how life is. All right, as you finish, you're gonna transfer these to a serving bowl, and then they're gonna be ready to enjoy. This golden color is it's like a dessert French fry. That's why people are obsessed with these sticks. That's my theory. Whether you add a dusting of powdered sugar or a drizzle of maple syrup, these are just plain delicious. If you like this video, check out my breakfast playlist. So simple, so delicious. I hope you get a chance to make this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.